everyone. Welcome back and welcome to 2021. I think 2021 is definitely going to be a good year. Just like most other people, 2020 was not a very good year for me. And lots of people that I know have numerous things happen to them besides this coronavirus in their lives. Last year in the summertime, my wife was in a car accident. My dog of 14 years died last year. And then on December the 12th, my wife had a stroke. So it was quite a challenging year for me. I know when I announced this to my fellow droners out there, I received a great amount of prayers, and I think those prayers worked because I brought her home on December the 17th. We had a semi-good Christmas together. And she's actually progressing. She's actually doing very well. Today is now January the 1st, 2021. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. And for the first time since my wife's stroke, she actually went for a walk. She actually went for a walk for about 2 blocks. We took the walker. And I was so proud of her. I mean, the doctor said that she would recover anyway, and it would just be a matter of time. This is like 3 weeks now, 3 weeks tomorrow, and I think she's progressing very, very well. And I wanted to share a little bit of that walk with you guys today. And this video here will be our first upload of 2021. So sit back and watch this video, and I hope you